My name is Katie Maller, and I am the Business Development Representative for Indiana and the Marketing Coordinator with EVunited. We provide custom solutions for both residential and commercial EV charging projects. According to EV growth volumes, we're seeing about a 40% growth in EV drivers every year. Today, I am here in Greenfield, and we are looking at putting in some DC fast charging stations into this parking lot. I think the mayor of Greenfield is interested in installing these EV charging stations because he envisions a Greenfield that will be sustainable for years to come.
My name is Chuck Fuel. I'm the mayor of Greenfield, Indiana. Today's market's going to call for more and more electric vehicles. We as a city would be behind if I don't have those charging stations in place. Across the street in another city parking lot, we have 2 charging stations there, right next door to a restaurant. So we use that, hoping that people can go in and stay around town, park their car, charge it, and shop while they're here. Driving in here, you didn't see any mountains, you didn't see any oceans. So we have to be very inventive of what we come up with to attract people to be in Greenfield.
EV drivers, they plan their trips according to where those charging stations are located. So let's say your town has an EV charging station within it and it shows up on their map. It will incentivize them to come to your town and use the charging station, but at the same time, they'll have that dwell time spent just checking out like different local restaurants, your park, your downtown area. It's a really great way to promote a little bit of tourism to your town. Now is a great time to look into EV charging just because of the incentives and grants that are becoming available to help incentivize your EV charging projects and help make them more affordable.
Well, I've always thought Greenfield was an example for other towns, but I also think that we have to be alert enough to say, this is a new way of conducting business, a new way of attracting people, and we should be on the forefront.